Determine the gradient from a point A to a point B from the following observation made with a tachyometer fitted with an analytic lens. The staff was held vertically. So in the question they have given it is fitted with an analytical lens, right? So when a tachyometer is fitted with analytical lens, its constant will become K100 and C0. Okay. For all the cases, if in the question they have given the tachyometer is fitted with analytic lens, you have to write these values. Okay, or substitute these values in the equation. Now, the condition is the line of sight inclined and the staff is held vertical. For such situation, D is Ks cos square theta plus C cos theta and V is Ks sin 2 theta by 2 plus C sin theta. Okay, now we can draw the profile using these values. We have an instrument station P. So I have drawn that there is an instrument station. We have staff point A and B. Okay, now the vertical angle is given. For A it is 10 degree 32 minutes. For B it is 5 degree 6 minutes. Okay, so for A it is 10 degree 32 minutes and for B it is 5 degree 6 minutes. Okay, so the angle theta is also given. Then three staff readings were given: 1.36, 1.915, 2.47. So you can write that at A it is 1.36, 1.915 and 2.47. Okay, so for similarly for B also it is given 2.705, 1.885 and 1.065. Okay, so everything is marked in the figure. One more data they have given, that is bearing. Okay, from P to A the bearing is 134 degree and from P to B the bearing is 224 degrees. That means P is our instrument station. P is our instrument station. From the P to A the bearing is 134 degrees. So when you look at this picture, this bearing is 134 degrees. So A is located here. From P to B the bearing is 224 degrees. P to B the bearing is 224 degrees. Okay, this is B. A, B. So you have to imagine the top view of the profile. Okay, in this figure it is a cut section given P, A and B. So when you look it from the top view plan, you can see P is located at this point. A is at an angle 134 degree bearing with P. B is 224 degree bearing with P. So it forms a like in the field it is like inside a triangle. Okay, so the catch is that this triangle makes an angle, that is angle P is 90 degree, right? 224 degree minus 134 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So angle P is 90 degree. A, B, P. Okay, so keep this in mind. We need this to calculate the gradient. In the question it is they asked to find the gradient. Okay, So let us start solving this problem. First one is observation from P to A. Observation from P to A. Okay, from P to A, when we look, theta, you know, 10 degree 32 minutes. Theta is 10 degree 32 minutes. How much is the staff intercept? Is upper reading minus lower reading. That is 2.47 minus 1.36. It is 1.11. So using all these values, you can calculate D. D is Ks cos square theta plus C cos theta, where C is 0, so it is Ks cos square theta only. Okay. So K is 100, S is 1.11. When you substitute, you will get it is 107.29.